Fox has 10 eggs. Fox happy. Fox buys 10 grapes with 10 eggs. Life is good. But then, more foxes want grapes. Grape seller has same grapes but more buyers. So seller says, now 1 grape equals 2 eggs. This is called demand pull inflation. More demand plus same supply equals price goes up. Fox, shocked.
Bruh.
Yesterday, 10 eggs equals 10 grapes. Today, 10 eggs equals 5 grapes. Fox feels poor, even with same eggs. Next day, grape farm is hit by storm. Fewer grapes in jungle now. Price goes up again. 1 grape equals 3 eggs. This is cost push inflation. Supply down, price up. Now Fox can only buy 3 grapes with 10 eggs. Fox is starving. So Fox gets smart. Fox buys a hen using 10 eggs. Hen gives 1 new egg every day. Passive income. Eggs grow while grape prices go up. Over time, grapes cost more. But Fox also has more eggs. So Fox still buys grapes easily. This is how smart Fox beats inflation. Lesson: saving eggs equals eggs lose power. Investing eggs equals eggs multiply equals Fox wins. Be smart like Fox. Don't just store eggs, grow them.